Well, we started this morning, about 1 o'clock this morning, getting on the road to get down here. We're back at one of our favorite places. Disney World, yeah. Look, hey, we are here because it's Christmas time. Everything is decorated up for Christmas, so we're going to come out here and enjoy the couple days here at the park. And we got a special day coming up in a couple of days.
It's our
Anniversary, that's right, 22 years this year. So we decided to come back to where we had our honeymoon and have a good time. Yeah. All right, why don't you come along with us? Yeah, so it's actually pretty crowded here today. I guess we kind of knew that. I mean, it's Christmas time, right? So, but and it's unseasonably cold. We're all wearing pants and sweatshirts.
I love it.
Yes, it's awesome. But yeah, we're gonna go in here and ride a few rides today. We're not messing around with paying for Genie Plus or anything. We're just gonna go and have a good time.
Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn the city to the ground.
All right, had our ride on Pirates, and now we are actually getting to see our first view of the old Splash Mountain being turned into Tiana's Bayou Adventure. And wow, they have done a lot of work on this. This is pretty wild. Look at all the plants and stuff they put up at the top.
So cool.
Are you looking forward to it?
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it actually. It's gonna be a really fun ride. I mean, it's the same ride, it's just rethemed, so I honestly think Disney's going to do a really good job with this. And we'll have to come back and ride it.
Yes. Not
considering that this is Emma's favorite ride when it was Splash Mountain, right? Yeah. All right, where to now?
Big Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain? Okay, let's go do it. It's over there calling for us. So is Thunder Mountain one of your favorites, or? Yeah, it's one of mine.
It's fun.
Yeah, and this is like, I hope they never change this one. This is one of those that they need to just leave it the way it is, because it's just a good ride all by itself.
Oh yeah, exciting. It's
yeah,
fun.
and we got to do the back.
Always the back.
Got to do the back. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So fun.
I know. The back row is where it's at. And we're rebels because we did not remove our glasses. I know, I'm corny. It's like dad jokes and stuff. Sorry. Bad dad joke. Oh, here we go. All right, so for those of you who are familiar with Disney World, we're gonna head over here to the Haunted Mansion. They've just added a new feature that's at the Haunted Mansion out in Disneyland. They've got the Hatbox Ghost that they just installed in the ride, and we haven't seen it yet, so we're gonna go over here and check it out. All right.
And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
Okay, well, the Hatbox Ghost was a really neat addition to the Haunted Mansion. And, babe, what do you think about getting a little bite to eat?
Starving.
Yeah, we have a dinner reservation right across the lake here over at Ohana. And it's an early dinner. It's at 3:45, so we're just going to go over there and have a little late lunch, early dinner. Get out of the park for a little while because it is busy.
So busy.
We're going to get out of here. Not deal with these lines for a little while, go have a little bite to eat. And then when we come back, we're riding Tron. Oh, what? You don't want to ride Tron?
We'll see.
You're riding Tron.
Depends on how full I am.
And it's even better to ride Tron after having a huge buffet of food. All right, so Emma says she doesn't want to be on camera, but I'm going to put her on camera anyway because this is supposed to be the Butler family adventures. And I'm sorry. I don't care if you're a teenager who's too cool to be on YouTube. You're on. Carrie, this is our job, right?
Always as parents.
Right, yeah. Em, you look fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, so how was dinner?
Fabulous.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So good.
And once again, we eat too much at a Disney restaurant. But we are back at Magic Kingdom because we have a reservation to ride Tron.
Which I'm not, because my stomach is too much.
Yeah, Carrie's bouncing out because she may lose everything she just ate at Ohana on the Tron ride if you're not careful.
Wow.
And hey, we're also here for this. I mean, it's Christmas time. Holy smokes, right? And look, we've come down here for Christmas multiple times, and I mean, it's Florida, so normally it's not very hot or not very cold, but it's actually pretty chilly down here right now.
Yeah.
And it's just all the Christmas music, all the lights and everything. It's just one of the places in the U.S. that does Christmas really, really well. And it just puts you in the spirit of the season, right? Yeah, we're gonna go around here and check out the castle. And the park has just been super, super crowded today. So we were in the park earlier, and I think we did like a grand total of 3 rides before we had to leave for our dining reservation. But it's cool. We're just enjoying the trip for sure. All right, ready to go see the castle? Yeah, awesome. Fireworks show is starting soon too, so we may catch that as well. Now this is the way to do this ride at night. We've only done it once at night, and just the launch, coming up out of that tunnel, flying up this first lift with all the lights going on. Oh, it's so much fun. You missed out.
I know. I wimped out.
Oh man, it was fun. It was fun.
I've heard it before. It's exciting. It's just a little bit too much for me.
It's a little intense after you just got done eating, but no, it was a blast. Oh man, the only problem is during, you get a virtual queue, and then you still have to wait an hour in the line. So they're not really moving the people through there very fast, but I don't know. It's worth it. It's worth it. So what are we gonna do now? I mean, it's nighttime. We got Magic Kingdom. What do we want to do?
I don't know. know, People Mover or
Yeah, we'll
Laugh
do.
Floor.
Yeah, we'll do some of the other
Do
stuff.
something over here.
Yeah, do some of the other stuff here in Tomorrowland. Oh man, we're having a good time.
Yeah,
Happy anniversary, babe.
Happy anniversary, babe.
All right. We did the Monsters Inc. laugh floor. Yeah.
It's so funny because it's so like random and improv.
Yeah.
So fun.
And I always get picked as
somebody.
one of the characters because I have the beard, so I'm supposed to be Sully, like the scary hairy monster. And Emma gets so embarrassed by it, so she's like, "Meh, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go ride Space Mountain." So, man, we're having a good time. We're having a good time on this trip, like we always do. It is crowded, but hey, we're having a good time.
We're on vacation.
All right, I guess. Fireworks, or I don't know what we're gonna do. It's getting ready to be. It's about 8 o'clock, and we've been here. Keep in mind, we woke up at 1 this morning and drove straight down here from Niceville.
Diehards.
Yeah, so we're exhausted, but yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna maybe do the fireworks or something like that, and probably ride a few more rides before we go crash at the hotel and do it all over again tomorrow. Okay. All right, well, we've made it back to the hotel. We are exhausted, but we've had another great day here at Disney World. We wanted to get around at Magic Kingdom today and have a good time just checking out all the Christmas decorations and enjoying some of the fun rides. But we're back at the hotel now. We're going to get some rest. We're going to get up and do it all over again tomorrow. So we're glad you came along with us, and thank you for watching the Butler Family Adventures.